Y'all, the challenge. I'm gonna drink all of this and not burp. It's flavored water and it's bubbly. And if you don't believe me, shake it. It's bubbling. I'm gonna throw up. Came out my nose.